Girlies, come here. Strawberries. Strawberries are like Klondike bars to chickens. What would you do for a strawberry? Terex, would you kill a man? I'll take that as a yes. How about you, Pope? You'd cut someone. Yeah, you know it. Don't try to deny it. They are mad because they're wet. Alright, girlies. There's little Candy. Are you all hiding out underneath the coop? Oh, there's Kara. Oh, she did the tuk-tuk-tuk noise. Can you do it again? Want a strawberry? Come on. Oh, quit your bitching. They all blame me. Here, strawberry. Come on. Kara. Kara, come here. Want a strawberry? This is a wide array of I'm not happy. Here. I can't really blame them. Because this sucks. Here, eat the strawberries. So did you lay me any eggs? Three eggs. Very nice.